Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the filters that Shotcut offers us to use in our video. To apply the video filters, you have to click on that clip in which you want to add the video effects. Then you have to click on the filters and then plus icon and then video. So here you will get too many options for adding the filters. I will show you something that first of all I want to show the wave, and now if I run the video you can see we're getting a wave transition like that. You can also add uh, vertigo, okay, and I want to show you one more, that is this one. You can actually increase the ratio, so I think it will be better trying this all by yourself. So this is how you can add filters in your video.